If you're looking for maximum value and optimal efficiency for your new office building, look no further than General Steel. Our all-in-one steel office buildings deliver outstanding durability, strength, and ease of ownership. They're faster to build than traditional wood-framed alternatives, and they're covered by the industry's best structural warranty, lasting 50 years. With the steel office building, you get the advantages like easier building maintenance, lower costs for property insurance, and enhanced resistance against damage from fire and pests. Steel buildings also offer lower heating and cooling costs in most cases, and expanding a steel building over time is a breeze thanks to their modular construction. General Steel office building kits are engineered to suit and arrive complete with everything you need to frame and enclose your new steel building. All you need to provide is a proper foundation and anchor bolts. All the components you need to build your new steel office space arrive on site in shipments that are fast and easy to unload with a 2-person team and a forklift. In case you need help with construction, we can connect you with a pre-qualified local resource with our established network of steel building contractors. Just ask. Choose from a variety of sizes of premium steel office building kits with custom floor plans designed for your specific intended use. Our 24-foot by 30-foot steel office building is a great choice for a modestly sized office building. Or, to accommodate more employees, choose our 30-foot by 50-foot format, which includes 1,500 square feet of uninterrupted interior space. For yet more room, our 30-foot by 60-foot steel office building is an outstanding choice, and our most popular steel office building size. The 80-foot by 80-foot format delivers maximum utility with the most customization options. And speaking of customizations, we can add windows, doors, framed openings, skylights, insulation, and much, much more. Many of these additions can be field located, meaning you can wait until the framing is up before you decide where to have them installed. An added benefit of purchasing a steel office building from General Steel is complimentary access to a dedicated project manager who will keep you updated on the progress of your order starting on day 1. You'll always know exactly what the status is, and if you ever have any questions, you'll know who to call for fast answers. At General Steel, our mission is the total success of your steel building project, from start to finish. When you're ready for your free, no obligation quote for the perfect steel office building to suit your needs, we'll be here to help.